This video will show you how to create a calendar in your Google Sheets with an easiest way. Okay, the first step you should do is you have to open your Google Sheets. And wait a second. And after that, you have to click this icon, guys. You have to click this icon, this plus icon, okay? You have to click the plus icon, and then you can choose the template. Okay, choose the template. And actually, there are a lot of templates here, and we have to choose a calendar, annual calendar. You have to click annual calendar. Okay, hold on. Okay, this is your calendar, and you can customize the theme up to your preference. Okay, that's the tips from me, and thanks for watching.